everybody! Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really nice and easy apple cake. This is a super homey recipe that is so delicious, so I hope you all enjoy. Alright, let's get started. Now for this cake, I'm going to start off by just mixing up the dry ingredients, and that's going to be some whole wheat flour, cinnamon, salt, and baking powder. And just whisk it up. Now I'm just going to mix together the wet ingredients in a stand mixer on a low speed. So that's going to be some nice plain vanilla yogurt, 2 eggs, maple syrup, melted coconut oil, and finally lemon zest. And just mix it until it's fully combined. Now, as a little side note, if all your ingredients are room temperature and have been sitting out of the fridge a little, it's going to make the mixing process a lot easier. Now I'm just going to add all of the dry ingredients into the mixing bowl and mix on a low speed until it's just combined. Now for the apple part of this apple cake, I've got 4 green apples that I've sliced into thin little pieces, and I'm just going to add some cinnamon on top of that. Now I'm just going to mix this up until the cinnamon is fully distributed. Now I'm going to take about 2 spoonfuls of these apples and fold them into the batter. Set the rest off to the side for now. And really gently fold it in. So that's scraping all around the sides and folding inward. And just make sure the apples are fully covered by the dough. I'm going to scoop the cake batter into a round cake tin, and I've just lined the insides with a little bit of coconut oil, and we're just going to scoop the batter in. The rest of the apples I'm just going to place on top of the filled cake tin in a really nice and pretty pattern. Now, of course, you may need to use less or more apples depending on your design, but for this one, I used only about 3 apples. The good news is you have a little snack if you have any left over. And I'm gonna put this into the oven at 375 degrees for about 35 minutes, and I can't wait to try this cake. Alright, and here is our finished result. This moist and fluffy apple cake is just a big, beautiful piece of spiced, fruity flavor. It's perfect for any fall event you might be going to, and this recipe is extremely easy to bake. And if you want to make this at home, I'm going to be linking the exact ingredients and measurements down in the description box below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to like and subscribe, as well as ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of the delicious and guilt-free dessert recipes that I'm going to be posting once every single week. But bye guys!